Hi, my name is Courtney Jones, and I'm here to talk to you about the effects of cigarette smoking has on your body. According to the World Health Organization, there are over 1 billion smokers worldwide. And would you be surprised to know that over 150 million of those smokers are children? So it's definitely what we consider almost an epidemic, considering what smoking does to your body. I've been a nurse and studying for nursing almost 9 years, so I've had some type of relations as far as figuring out the disease process to your body. What I'm hoping to do today is kind of explain to you what it does to the human body, and how it alters it and how it alters you mentally as well. So I want to say, starting off, that if you smoke or maybe know someone else that smokes, that maybe you can take the time to watch the video together. One of the biggest things that people know is that smoking can lead to lung cancer, and one of the also things that it leads to is what's called COPD, which is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Those could be anywhere from chronic bronchitis, pneumonia, and stuff like that, which greatly affects the oxygenation of your blood. If you're having lung issues and you're not breathing properly, it's going to lead to decreased oxygen in your bloodstream. That is a big deal. It's a big deal because without proper oxygenation of your blood, two things could happen. One, your skin tones and colors are going to be, kind of like grayish and bluish colors in your extremities. Fingertips and stuff are going to feel cold and numb sometimes. But one of the bigger things is that it's really going to affect the healing process without proper oxygen going in your blood. Another thing is, what people don't think about is the increasing costs of smoking. I could talk about how much tobacco smoke as far as how much it goes up every year, but I'm not talking about that cost. I'm talking about the costs of like healthcare. What it's going to cost you to recover, or as far as co-pays, medications, time spent in the hospital, that kind of cost. So your costs are going to go up monetarily as far as purchasing cigarettes, but also your healthcare. The longer you smoke, the more it's going to cost you. So I think that in conclusion, every time you puff a cigarette, there's going to be more and more consequences. Just think about it. The smoking leads to decreased lung function, which leads to less oxygenation of your blood, which leads to more health problems. So that would be something to consider. One of the questions you have to ask yourself every time is, what do I have to lose whenever I light up? And the answer that you should remember every time is everything. What do I have to lose?